shot of espresso. Have you had espresso martini before?
Yeah, once.
Oh, okay.
Once, just one. That is my second. Yeah.
Because you're helping her make it.
So much. Let's take
True.
the ice and we prep everything else.
Nakakaisay. Nakakapagpasyan.
Are you guys from Philippines?
Yes. Good guess.
Place that on top. Right. So we do vodka because that's like the classic way of making espresso martini, and you need a full double shot. Okay. So with espresso martini, you usually do the same amount of coffee as vodka, always the same.
Okay. Yeah. So one full of.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit more.
The vanilla will cover everything.
Smells good.
Before we put the vanilla, I'm going to show you this really nice coffee liqueur from France.
Oh.
I've actually been to the distillery itself.
What is it called?
It's amazing. It's called Cold Brew Coffee Liqueur from Bordeaux. Have you ever been to France?
Yeah.
Yeah?
In Paris.
It's a Paris.
Yeah. Paris. Paris.
So it doesn't have as much sugar as a regular cold, like a coffee liqueur. That's why it's so nice to like. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna do just below with small ones, okay? Right, and the same amount of the vanilla syrup.
From Eloi for the vlog.
Try nyo na dito, punta kayo sa Rockwell, guys. Rockwell Makati.
Now you can simply take, because we know espresso is a double shot there for 50 ml, so you can just pour that straight inside, you don't need to measure.
Okay.
Now we're going to take a bigger glass because like most of it will be nice foam, okay? So we're going to make sure that we get everything inside the actual drink.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Exciting.
So make sure you get excess water. And you need to tap it very hard. See it?
Yeah.
Very angry tap, and you just very angry shake.
All of your
Energy.
energy.
Don't worry, I will finish the rest for you.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Oh, okay.
That expression.
A lot.
So you need to have moves to be a barista. You need to have the groove.
That's sweet.
Right. You would like to taste just a little bit from there? From there?
Here.
Now, is that sweet enough? Yeah? So, just one finger, make sure you hold it nice and tight.
Okay. Like this one, yeah?
And then just strain it over
Okay.
all the way. But don't be shy to pour everything, you will have plenty.
It might spill.
It will not spill.
It will not spill.
It will not.
You trust Martin.
Spill though.
That's it.
That's it. Wow.
You can just drop that in the sink. That's not. Now, would you like some chocolate on top?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Change career na.
Change career na.
This bit right here.
It's on one side.
Oh, there's a technique.
In here, yeah?
You are natural.
Oh.
That's perfect. Look at that.
Really? That's it.
Right.
Really?
And it wouldn't be no espresso martini without coffee beans. So if you would like to make like a little triangle, think of it any way you like.
Oh, triangle.
This triangle.
Small small triangle.
So which one is on the this one?
Yeah, so you want the little ribs to be seen, yeah.
So where do you want me to place it?
Wherever you like.
Triangle.
Yeah, and so the last one will draw this.
Ow, like a flower.
Yeah, like it. Wow,
Ah,
that's
yay.
beautiful.
Good job.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Much.
Photo.
Experience. Take a picture.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.